Mr. Zondo, amongst the allegations that the police made to you was that you had visited Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4, before this court.
Kwezinye insolo amaphoyisa ke azisho kwena ukuthi ke wawuye uyobona noma ke uyovisitela umnumzana Mapisa phambi kwale nkantolo. Noma phambi kwale nkantolo.
Yebo kwesankantolo basho bathi uvashela uMapisa.
Yes, my lord, they alleged that I was visiting Mapisa.
Did you know at that point or at some point where Mr. Mapisa was detained?
Ingabe ngaleso sikhathi leso noma kwakunesikhathi la owawazi khona ukuthi ke uMapisa waye valelwe kuphi?
Angazi kwesankantolo.
I don't know, my lord.
You also told this court that upon you denying that you had visited Mr. Mapisa, you were told that you were going to be taken to view the footage as proof that you did visit him. Were you then taken to view that footage?
Ushilo ke ukuthi ke ngesikhathi ke usuphika ke wena ukuthi wawuyileke ukuyobona uMapisa base bekutshela ukuthi bazokuhambisa ke beyokukhombisa ke phecelezi ke i-video footage. Ingaba bakuthatha yini bakusakuyona ke leyo footage leyo ukuthi bayokukhombisa?
Azabe ngisekasakatolo.
They never took me, my lord.
Do you know Constable Skhumbuzo Sizwe Zungu?
Constable Skhumbuzo Sizwe Zungu uyamazi yini?
Angimazi kwesankantolo.
I don't know him, my lord.
Do you know Sfiso Zungu, also known as Gwabeni?
Usfiso Zungu abambiza ngogwabeni uyamazi?
Angimazi kwesankantolo angimazi.
No, I don't know him, my lord.
You know the area called Kohlokono area?
Indawo abayibiza ukuthi Kohlokolo uyayazi?
Angiyazi kwesankantolo mangindlula.
I know it in passing, my lord.
Where is it situated?
Ikuphi nendawo?
Kwesankantolo endaweni engikuyo nayo kangangokuthi akuhambe ngenyawo ikude kakhulu.
From my place, my lord, or between my place and this particular place, my lord, one cannot travel on foot, my lord. It's very far.
You know in which district is it located?
Asithi nje phansi ingaphansi kweyiphi iphansi kweyiphi indawo engaphansi kwayo noma phela masingathi nje i-district indawo engaphansi kwayo.
Kwesankantolo ingaphansi koSuthu ngokwemephu yamadolobha ehlwa amahlabathi noSuthu ingaphansi koSuthu.
According to the map, my lord, that demarcates or differentiates between the towns, my lord, which is Osuthu and Mahlabati, it falls under Osuthu.
You told this court that you don't know Gwabeni. Do you know Basuthwini Hostel in Fostoras?
Uqeda ukutshela inkantolo ukuthi uGwabeni awumazi. Ingabe uyayazi yini iBasuthu Hostel eFostoras?
Basuthu ngiyazi kwesankantolo.
I know Basuthu, my lord.
Have you been there physically?
Usuke waya khona lapho?
Kwesankantolo bangeke ngisho uqaleni ukuthi ngesport. Sport sethu udlala onke lama hostela la. So ngiyazi ngalokho Basuthu naye Basuthu naye maZulu.
As I said, my lord, that I participate in this sport, the particular sport, my lord. So our sport would then travel or go to these different hostels. I know that Basuthu is situated here, and just close by there, maZulu is there, my lord.
On the 26th of October 2014, were you at Basuthwini Hostel?
Gate 26 zika October 2014 ingabe wawuse Basuthu Hostel yini? 26 October 2014.
Kwesankantolo 2014.
26 October 2014.
Kwesankantolo uthi ngoba nakho ikhalenda ayikho kwesankantolo ngeke ngazi ukukhumbula ukuthi
because there is no calendar, my lord, I won't be able to tell as to what was happening. So I don't know how to explain it, my lord.
The deceased in this matter was killed on the 26th of October 2014.
owashona noma ke umufi kuleli cala leli washona ngazo i26 October 2014.
Hayi ngisemsebenzini Nkosi enkantolo.
No, I was at work, my lord.
Can you remember the description of the motor vehicle that you were using or driving during that period of the 26th of October 2014?
Ngaso leso sikhathi leso isikhathi sange 26 October 2014 ngayisho usayikhumbula yini imoto owawuhamba ngayo?
Nkosi enkantolo yebo ngiyikhumbula.
Yes, I do recall, my lord.
What is the description of the vehicle that you were driving?
Kwakuyimotweni.
Iranex emnyama 1.8.
It was a black 1.8 Ranex.
You told the court that at Yeovil, when you were questioned by Brigadier Geninda, the questions that were posed to you was the knowledge that you had of the accused before court. Do you confirm that?
Ushilo ke ukuthi laphana eYeoville imibuzo owayehlonywa ke uyena uBrigadier Geninda kwakuyimibuzo emayelana ke nokwazana kwakho nabasolo. Uyakhumbula lokho?
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
Were you asked about the involvement, the knowledge that you had about the involvement of the accused in the commission of this offense?
Ingabe wabuzwa yini ngolwazi onalo ngokubandakanyeka kwabasolwa kulona icala leli?
Nkosi enkantolo bangibuza ngaphendula ngathi Nkosi enkantolo zingane lezi ngene kungihamba lapha ehamba khona beyihle khona.
I was asked, my lord, and my response was the following: that they are younger than me, my lord. I cannot be traveling where they are traveling or hang around with them where they are hanging around.
If you can remember, what questions were you asked?
Uma kuwukuthi usakhumbula imiphi imibuzo owayibuzwa?
Nkosi enkantolo umbuzo engimangikhumbula kahle mangisakhumbuli kahle. Bangibuza ngayo imoto yami ukuthi ayidriver uNtanzi ethengisa ibhamu.
If I remember correctly, my lord, they were asking me about my vehicle, that it was being driven by Ntanzi, selling firearms.
Ngaphendula ngathi uNtanzi nguphi?
I then responded by saying, which Ntanzi?
Bathi ubongani loboshiwe.
They then said, Bongani, the one who's been arrested.
Ngathi Nkosi enkantolo lo muntu awazi ngisho ukudrive.
I then said, my lord, that person can't even drive.
Cela ukumala Nkosi.
May I stop them?
Who was asking that question?
Ubani owayebuza umbuzo loyo?
Mr. Geninda.
Mr. Geninda.
Nkosi enkantolo selapho ngiyaxolisa iphazamisa. Waze wangibuza ngomunye ukuthi uNtanzi nomfana kwaba nami umthera ethi kwathini kwaNongoma athi mina angikwazi lokho mina. Lo mfana kumazi hlala nami maze phila phambi kwamehlana.
Okay.
Nalo bangibuza Nkosi.
Kwathini ngizamxoli kanjani? Wayithini le?
Ngiyengisa.
Uma yithi kwathini? Uthi
No, shothi Nkosi enkantolo yaxolisa. Ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi omunye umbuzo wangibuza ngawo.
yes.
Ukuthi uNtanzi unecala kwaNongoma.
Yebo.
Anomunye umfana kubathi
Alright.
umthera itenjanga le.
The other thing, my lord, that I would like to mention is that, or that I was asked about, was with regard to Untanzi, about a particular matter from KwaNongoma, where he was involved with this particular gentleman called Mtera. Uthi ke wabusuphendula uthini?
Ngaphendula ngathi angikwazi lokho Nkosi enkantolo balo mfana ukhula phambi kwami.
I then responded by saying, I know nothing about that, because this boy is growing up just right in front of me.
Thank you, my daughter. I have no further questions.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.